Hey guys, my name is Novice. Welcome back to Novice Vlogs. Today we are playing Will You Press the Button. It is a game where you choose two different choices, just like Would You Rather, pretty much. But anyways, let's get right to it. First one is, you obtain the ability to travel through me, or through time, but you can never go back to plus or minus years from when you first departed. I will not press that button because I don't want to be stuck somewhere where I can't go anywhere else. The second one is, you live in a world of your favorite book, movie / TV show, but once it ends, you cease to exist. Ooh, that's... I will not press that button because the most things I like don't last very long. I don't know. I will not press that button. Alright, number 3. You gain the ability to see the future, but you can only foresee the death of whoever you're looking at. I will press that button because I want to know when people die. Alright, the next one is, you become a world-renowned author and millionaire, but every hair on your head and body must be at least 1 meter long. That is a lot of fucking hair. I'm gonna press that button because at least I'll become Chewbacca. Chewbacca's awesome. Press the damn button. Fucking lag. Okay, the next one is, have sex with anyone you desire, but it is the worst sex experience of your life and you don't get an orgasm. Oh, God, that's horrible. Alright, the next one we have right here is, world hunger will be no more, but you will only die of starvation. I will not press that button because I got to eat sometimes because I don't want to die of starvation. So I will not press that button. Next one is, you can travel to any location, any time, and any alternate reality. You can image by teleportation, but you have thousands of intergalactic enemies always attempting to destroy you. I will press that button because space travel and intergalactic enemies, that sounds like a plan. I would love to do that. That sounds awesome. Alright, and the next one is, you can create some sort of amazing series that has a large fan following, be it book, video game, television, etc. But that will be your sole claim to fame, and nothing else you do will be recognized by your fans no matter how hard you try. I will press that button because that would be fun. You have the ability to walk through walls, but successfully doing so is proportional to how fast you're moving. Higher speed equals a higher success rate, but no guarantees. I will not press that button because I'm fat and I can't move fast. Alright, the next one is, any creature you create on Spore becomes real, but the creature will always be hunting you down. I will not press that button. I don't want to die. Dying is not fun. Alright, the next one is, your salary doubles, but you have to pay 50% more taxes. I will not press that button because I don't pay taxes yet, so I don't want to pay any money yet. I'm not even 18, so I will not press that button. I'm only 17, so every time you shit, you are paid $2,000, but you have to wipe 100 times to be clean. I will press that button because shitting just to get $2,000, damn. Eating them prunes. Alright, the next one is you will get all the knowledge of the universe, but you won't be able to share it. I will press that button because I will be smart, like Batman. I don't like Batman. Batman sucks. Sorry, Batman fans. Alright, the next one is you can speak/read any language, but it will always come out backwards. Ooh, I will not, because that's just too much learning to be done. Yes, I know I sound lazy. Just don't judge me. Oh, my eye's itchy. Sorry about that, folks. Alright, the next one is you land your dream job, but you're only paid minimum wage. Well, if it's my dream job, then I will probably... Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I will tell you my answer in the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please slap that like button. Comment down below how your day was. And if you guys are new, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.